Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this egg chair that we got a while ago. In this video I'm going to talk about the things I like about this chair and also one thing I think you guys should know before buying. I've been looking to buy an egg chair for a while now. I saw a few options on Amazon, but this one was the one that I decided to buy. I really like the style. I like the size of it. You can fit two people here. You're gonna squish it a little bit. I know, I think this is meant for one person, but you can definitely fit two people here in this chair. The size, let me go in this angle right here, is pretty good. The cushion, this cushion right here is so soft and thick, guys. Let me go down a little bit so you can kind of see how thick this is. I was surprised when we got this. You can tie the cushion on the back right here, you know, to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. The quality of the fabric is amazing. It's very thick, which is important because we have this outside. Like I said, we've had this for a while. It rained a little bit here, and as you can see, it looks brand new. Another thing I really like about this chair is how you can collapse it. So let me show you right here. They show this in the pictures, but yeah, this is pretty cool. You can literally store this anywhere if you need. We've had to take this chair down a few times because it is very windy here. And you know, it was very easy to remove and to put it back. Putting this chair together was also very easy. It took me less than 20 minutes maybe. And it's very sturdy. This chair can hold up to 350 pounds. I am 140, so yeah, I think I will be good. We haven't had any problems, you know, with weight or anything like that. Now let's talk about the one important thing I think you guys should know before buying. So I saw a lot of the comments, people saying that this chair is very noisy. When you swing it, you're gonna hear like squeaky noises coming from the top right here. Guys, I haven't experienced anything like it. We haven't had any issues with noise whatsoever. It's actually pretty smooth. And like I said, we have this outside, and you know, so far so good. Also, I saw some people talking about the quality and it looks cheap. This doesn't look cheap. I actually think this looks very good. It's just like anything else out there, really. But yeah, I really like this chair. I think it is worth the money. If you're thinking about getting this, you should definitely look into it. This chair is amazing.